In today's video, we'll show you how to generate auth tokens and control API scopes in Zoho to enhance API security and gain access to Zoho CRM books and other applications. If you're a developer looking to integrate Zoho services into your applications, this guide is for you. So let's get started. Step 1. Registering a client in Zoho Developer Console. The first step is to register a client in Zoho Developer Console. Go ahead and log in to your Zoho Developer account. Once you're in, click on Add Client, then select Server-Based Applications. Fill out the necessary fields, including client name, homepage URL, and authorized redirect URIs. If you don't have a domain name or redirect URL, you can use any dummy link for now. After completing the fields, click on the Create button. This will generate a unique client ID and client secret, which are essential for obtaining the access token. Step 2. Generating the grant token. Now that you have your client ID and client secret, it's time to generate the grant token. In the description below, we've provided a link that you can modify by inserting your client's credentials and defining the desired scope. You can control the API scope and limit the access your client will have to Zoho Books or any other Zoho application. For instance, you can write Zoho Books, full access, all to grant your client full access to all available scopes in Zoho Books. Once you've modified the link with your client, ID redirect URI and scope redirect to that modified link. Author consent page will appear, prompting you to click the Accept button. After accepting, Zoho will redirect you to the provided redirect URI, along with the parameters code and state. Make sure to copy the received code, as you'll need it to make a POST request for generating an access token. Step 3. Generating the auth token and refresh token. Moving on to Step 3, we'll generate the auth token and refresh token. To do this, we'll use Postman. If you don't have Postman installed, make sure to download and install it first. Then, click on Import in Postman and paste the link provided in our guide. Don't forget to modify the link with your client's credentials and paste the code you obtained from the previous step. Now, click on Send to make a POST request. In response to your request, you'll receive both the access token and refresh token. Step 4. Generating the auth token from the refresh token. Remember, the access token is only valid for a limited time, but the refresh token is permanent. So, when your access token expires, you can use the refresh token to generate a new access token. To do this, use the link we've provided in our guide. Just like before, import it into Postman, modify the link with your client's credentials, and this time, enter the refresh token instead of code. Click on Send, and you'll receive a new access token or auth token to use. That's it for today's guide on generating auth tokens, access tokens, and controlling API scopes in Zoho. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your API requests and gain access to Zoho CRM books and other Zoho applications securely. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below.